Maine Solar Solutions offers our customers a variety of different solar panel options.
Solar panels differ in their wattage, size, efficiency, appearance, and cost.
Larger solar panels typically have the highest wattage and are often the least expensive. However, depending on the size of your roof, a smaller, lower wattage solar panel may allow you to fit more panels on the roof and yield a larger system size.
And of course, aesthetics are a consideration when choosing solar panels. Some homeowners prefer an all-black panel as an alternative to a panel with silver frames and a more traditional grid-like appearance.
When we meet with you to review your solar proposal, we'll show you 3 or 4 panel options, their comparative costs, and we'll take the time to explain the differences between them. Our goal is to give you the information you need to make an informed decision.
For more answers to your questions, visit our website, MaineSolarSolutions.com.